In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit logins to allowed IPs in HubSpot. This setting lets you control exactly which networks are allowed to sign into your HubSpot account. It's a powerful way to reduce unauthorized access, especially if your team works from specific offices, over a company VPN, or from known static IP addresses. First, open your browser, head to your preferred search engine, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for the gear icon. That's the settings area. Click it to open your account settings. On the left-hand sidebar, find and select Security. This page centralizes your login policies and authentication options. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Allowed Login IPs. This is where you'll define which public IP addresses can access your account. A quick note before we proceed. You'll want the public IPs that your users appear to come from on the internet, not the private addresses you see on local networks. If you're unsure, check with your IT team or network admin to confirm your office and VPN egress IPs, and make sure they're stable. If your organization uses dynamic IPs, consider adding a range in CIDR format rather than a single address. Now, turn on the setting by clicking the toggle switch. HubSpot may alert you that enabling this will block sign-ins from any address not on your list. Read that message carefully and proceed when you're confident you have the right IPs ready. Next, enter your allowed IP addresses in the field provided. You can add single addresses, like 203.0.113.10, or include ranges such as 203.0.113.0/24, if that's how your company network is set up. If your team uses IPv6, you can add those as well. Follow the format indicated in the field's hint or help text. Be sure to include every location your users might sign in from, such as all offices, your VPN, and any secure, approved remote networks. It's a good idea to include your current public IP so you don't lock yourself out while testing. When you're satisfied, click Save. The policy takes effect right away, and only the addresses you've listed will be able to log in going forward. After saving, communicate the change to your team so they know to connect through approved networks, and keep a record of the addresses you've added for future updates. That's it. You've successfully limited HubSpot logins to allowed IPs, adding a strong, practical layer of security to your account.